see student, open your books, exercise 8A, the question number 19. It says a bag contains 750 rupees in the form of rupee 50 and 25 paisa. The total money is 750 and it is the form of 1 rupee coin, 50 paisa coins and 25 paisa coins. Okay, now we have to find the number of each coin, right? The ratio of these coins is 5:8 write it here. The ratio of these coin is 5:8:4. Okay, now see, let the 1 paisa coin is 5x, 50 paisa coin is 8x and 25 paisa coin is 4x, right? Now this is the number of coins. वैल्यू ऑफ 1 कॉइन ऑफ 1 रुपीज इज 1. अगर हम देखें 1 रुपए के एक कॉइन की वैल्यू कितनी होगी 1. 2 कॉइन्स की वैल्यू कितनी होगी 2. 3 कॉइन्स की वैल्यू कितनी होगी 3. राइट, वी फाउंड इट लाइक दिस. सो राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ ईच टाइप ऑफ कॉइन. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ how many coins of 1 rupees are 5x coins of rupees 1. It will be 1 into 5x. Value of 8x coins of 50 paisa. 50 पैसा के 8x coin की कितनी वैल्यू होगी 50 into 8x. Similarly the value of 4x coins of 25 पैसा. 25 पैसा के एक कॉइन की वैल्यू 25 होती है. सो 4x की कितनी होगी 25 into 4x. नाउ स्टूडेंट, इफ यू एड these values it should be equal to 750. yes, so we will add them. It will be 5x, it is 400x plus 100x. It should be equal to 750. now add them. 505x equals to 750. From here you can find the value of x. Right? 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0. So from here the value will come. Now see student, here we missed one thing. This is 1 rupee and this is in paisa, so we have to change it into the 100 paisa. So the value of this will be 100 into 5x, so it will be 500x. राइट, हमने इसको क्या किया है सिर्फ पैसा में चेंज किया है. नाउ सॉल्व इट. इट विल बी 1000x इक्वल्स टू 75 एंड x 750. It is 0.75. okay, the value of x is 0.75. now put the value of x here. रुपीज 1 कॉइन कितने थे? इट वॉज 5x. नाउ 500x. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ हेयर x. इट इज 500 इंटू 75 अपॉन 100. इट इज दिस नंबर ऑफ Okay, that's how you can solve it. Now let's move on to the question number 20. So see, question number 20 is saying if 4x plus 5 ratio 3x plus 11 it is equal to 13:17. Find the value of x. So how can we find the value of x? First write it like this. Now do the cross multiplication. Okay, 4 into 7, 68x plus 17 into 5, 85. 85 equals to 39x plus 143. Now 68x minus 39x, 143 minus 85. From here you can find the value of x. Okay, solve it yourself. Now see question number 22. This x is to y equals to 6 is to 11. 8x minus 3y is to 3x plus 2y. We have to find the value of x. So first, see this. It is x upon y equals to 6 upon 11. Okay. This is given 8x minus 3y upon 3x plus 2y. Now this time x और y की ratio given है, इसकी ratio नहीं given है, so we cannot do cross multiplication. First divide both terms by, see, write it like this. We will divide both terms by y. So 8x minus 3y को divide करेंगे y से, इधर भी हम divide करेंगे y से. So this will be 8xy minus 3. Okay, now see, ये कैसे आया? ये दोनों के नीचे है ना, तो this will be like this. We can write like this. So it will be 8xy minus 3xy plus 2. Now this xy value we have given. So put the value of xy here and here. Now solve it. It will be 48 upon 11 minus 3 ratio 36. 18 upon 11 plus 2. Now you cannot send the numbers here and there. Okay, इधर से उधर नहीं भेज सकते because इनके बीच में क्या है, equal to sign नहीं है, ratio का sign है. Now solve it. It will be 48 minus 33 upon 11. 18 minus 22 upon 11. Okay. Plus, sorry, this is plus. Now it will be 15 upon 11 is to 18 plus 22, 40 upon 11. Now 11 से 11 cut, so the ratio is 15 is to 40. Now we can write it into the simplest form. You can do it. We have to, next question is we have to find which ratio is greater. And this is the last question of this exercise. 5 is to 6 or 7 is to 9, which is greater? How can we do this? Okay, write it like this. Now do the cross multiply. First multiply this and then this. It will be 45 and this will be 42. So this is greater, that means this is greater. That means this is greater. Now we will start next exercise, proportion. So before doing the question, we should know some concept about proportions. Proportion means two ratios are equal. Okay. How do we write proportion? We can write it A is to B. proportion. This is the sign of proportion. This is a ratio and this is a ratio. ये दोनों रेशियो आपस में इक्वल है, दैट मीन्स प्रोपोर्शन में है. ओके, सो दिस इज द साइन ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, दिस इज द सेकेंड टर्म, it is the third term, and this is the fourth term. Okay, now here the terms which are at the corners, this and this, they are known as extremes. They are known as extremes, and the terms which are in between, they are known as means. So from here we know a formula, product of extremes. Product of extremes equal to the product of means. If two ratio are in proportion, so unka product of extreme and product of means should be equal. Okay, this is it. Now if we see, sometimes in the proportion, here we have 4 different terms, but sometimes in a proportion we have only 3 different terms. B is common. So here we can say A, B and C are in continued proportion. A, B, C are in continued proportion. Okay. C is the third proportional. C is third proportional. And third proportional to A and B. A और B का third proportional है. अगर हम बात करें A, B and B की, A, B and B की, so it is the fourth proportional. Okay, keep these point in mind because we are going to solve the question with this. Okay, now this B, it is 2 times now, and it is at the mean position, so it is also known as mean proportional. Or geometric mean. Now let's see the questions. Okay, first open the exercise 8B, question number 2. We have to show 36 is 9, 36, 49, 6 and 7 are not in proportion. कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये proportion में है या नहीं है? So I told you a formula. First, write these numbers like this. Okay, now check. If they are in proportion, the product of extremes, it should be equal to product of means. Okay, कभी भी चेक करना है if any ratios numbers are in proportion or not, use the formula. So extremes are 36 and 7, so they should be equal to 46 and 49 and 6. Now multiply. It is 6 4s are 24 plus 2 9. Now they are not equal. That means the ratios are, these numbers are not in proportional. They are not proportional. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. See question number 5. Okay, now let's see question number 5, it is given x is to 35, 48 is to 60. So now whenever the questions are given in this form, use the formula product of extremes equal to product of means, right? That means extreme x and 60. So x into 60, it is equal to 35 into 48. So from here you can find the value of x. 6 tens are 6 eights are 5 2s are 10, 5 sevens are. So it will be 28. So the value of x is 28. So whenever you have to find the value of x in a proportion, use this formula, product of extreme or product of means. Even every question in this proportion chapter will solve by this formula only. Okay, this formula is very important. Each and every question will solve with this formula. Now the next question is 6. Find the fourth proportional. We have to find the fourth proportional. Proportional to number. See, only 3 numbers are given. We have to find the fourth number, fourth proportional, that means x. Write in this form. I told you the fourth proportional to A, B, C is D. Okay, fourth proportional to A, B and C is D. So from here you can find the value of x. Use the formula product of extremes equal to product of means. Now extremes are 5 into x, means are 7 into 30, and from here you can find the value of x easily. Now move on to the question number 7 or 8. Which one should we do? We should do the question number 8. The question number 8 is saying 27, 36 and x are in continued proportion. Proportion, find x. We have to find the value of x. How can we find? Now see, in this proportion only 3 numbers are given, and when the 3 numbers are given, हमारा ये वाला proportion बनता है. A is to B is in proportion with B is to C. Now A is 27, B is 36. Okay, this is x. Now from here you can use the formula product of means equal to product of extremes. Use this formula and you can find it. Means are this 36 into 36 and extreme are 27 and x. From here find the value of x. Now move on to the question number 10. Question number 9 is very easy. They are saying we have to find the third proportion. That means you have to find the x. Okay, let's see. Question number 9 भी देख लेते हैं. They are saying we have to find the third proportional. Third proportional means in this proportional we have only 3 values. That means it is this type of proportion. Okay. Remember जहाँ पर 4 numbers की बात करिए वहाँ A is to C, A B C D वाली equation बनेगी, and in the third proportional we have equation क्या होगी? A B C वाली होगी. We have to find the third proportional. Third proportional means C of 8 and 12. Now यहाँ पर इक्वेशन ये वाली बनेगी एंड हमें फाइंड क्या करना है? थर्ड. दैट मीन्स सी A is 8 and B is 12. Okay, and this third proportional is x. Now you can find the value of x. Now move on to the question number 10. That is important. The question number 10 is, if the third proportional is proportional to 7 and x is 8. Third proportional, see they are saying third proportional, तो equation कौन सी वाली होगी? A B C वाली. Third proportional to 7 and x is 28. Now find x. See, ये वाली इक्वेशन बनेगी यहाँ पर a is to b is to b is to c. Now this is a and this is b. The third proportional, that is c, is 28. Now use the formula. Product of extremes equal to product of means. 7 into 28 x into x. So x square will be 7 8s are 60, 56, 57 to the 14 or 196. Now from here find the value of this square. और इस स्क्वायर को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं? Find the factors of x. So factors of 196 are 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. स्क्वायर हटाएंगे तो अंडर रूट लगा देते हैं स्क्वायर हटा के. नाउ मेक द ग्रुप ऑफ सेम नंबर, तो इट विल बी 2 into 7 14. Okay, now move on to the question number 11. They are saying we have to find the mean proportional between mean proportional. Mean proportional means mean proportional कौन सी इक्वेशन में था? इस इक्वेशन में, राइट? ए बी सी वाली में. एंड दिस इज द मीन प्रोपोर्शनल. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड मीन प्रोपोर्शनल ऑफ 6 and 24. सो मीन प्रोपोर्शनल मतलब 3 नंबर्स वाली इक्वेशन फॉर्म हुई है और वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ पी. This is like this. From here you can find the value of x. How? Again, product of extremes. Extremes are this. And product of means. Means means x into x. Now multiply. So this will be, see, we can write this number in the factors form. Factors of 6 are 2 into 3. And factors of 24, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8 into 3. These are the factors. Now when you remove this square sign, we put the square root. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Write this 3 साथ. Okay? And this 2 here. Now make the group of 2 numbers. When you remove this square, this pair we will write at this, and this will be 12. So the x is 12. With this, your chapter number 8 is completed. Do the rest of the question yourself. Now in the next video we will start chapter number 8. Chapter number 9 will be for second term.